I love my job. I can tell you that. My father always taught us the people that need help most is what we are going to focus on. And my dad is a reverend, so I always had that mindset that this is what I want to do. You know, I enjoy working with elderly or um, people with disabilities. You know, that's my passion. One of my mummies, I call her my mom, she's 99 years old and she is one of the oldest participants here. She'll be 99 in January. She's like a mother figure. And so I'm attached to her too because she's one person that came in here not doing anything, but she has this dance that one of our RT that used to work here, um, that we all got a dance, a set dance, which when she turns the 100, we're gonna be playing those videos where we dance. You know, she will just trigger the dance and we dance like her, and she loves it up till today. So I get to go home, I get to sing, I get to remember what I've done to accomplish a good thing for them because that's my day. When I go home thinking that I've done the best that I could, I put a smile in somebody's face. That's my joy. You know, that this is my job. You know, it's not anywhere else, it's about them. It's not even about me.